Kumshi benta benrakhi ke Independence Day ke bahnyo punyo jongkari India hadin ke jingyo ke jinglat lut na ke sorkar pareng haus nam khat khandai spa sau punyo menta ke sengi ke khatsan terik nailar arajar arpolai ke district administration haringkat ke office u district sports officer Ribhoi district ke Pynlong ke Independence Day run ke bahnyo kilometer ke belas dang na lebai market Dulongnar hadu NSCA indoor stadium Kedah. Ya kan ika marathon lawan bankawe lama da Manish Kumar IAS Additional Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District haringkat ubak Bobby Nongbet District Sports Officer Ribhoi na lorki weipat. Hagan ika marathon la shimbenta shirham da ars patam ki samla bat ki rangba kat baya ka nam job ha ka thup ki shinrang ya ka kerdan ke beningkong lara da usamla monas bungrung na paham dumu ha ka kerdan ke baar da usamla lalen krau thaba na shang bangla bat ha ka kerdan ke balai da u Emmanuel bungrung na paham dumu kat ba ka thup ki kentei lara ya ka kerdan ke beningkong da ka samla barisha khemdet ha ka kerdan ke baar da ka selderes makri na paham bir ha ka kerdan ke balai da ka Julina bungrung na paham pedem. Kadonru ke khusnam ke bakerpang ye kinong ye shimbenta bala tembentam ha ke bana kaliang kishenrang layo da uba troli lingdo na umsau noldi bat ha kaliang kikentei layo da ikong snora rani na nongjeri kinong job kilayo banra ye ke song pisa ke bahnyo hajar ha ke kerdan ke beningkong san hajar ha ke kerdan ke baar lai hajar ha ke kerdan ke balai bat shi hajar tingkai ye kinong ye shimbenta bala tembentam.
This is a very special day for this country. I congratulate all of you, and I am very much overwhelmed to see such large number of participants in this event. And I wish you all the best for this event. And a special request: please maintain safety, as there are a lot of vehicle movements in the road. So please run safely and complete this 7-kilometer run and mark this event a wonderful success for the entire district. Thank you very much, and all the best for every participant.
And we are so glad to see that a large number of participants have turned out, and I believe that with today's first day event, I think we are being very positive for the rest of the year. And with these few words, then I also wish on this special day the very best for everyone. As you know that today is a special day, you know, as we remember the beginning of our nation, built on strength and bravery. So from my side, I wish you all Happy Independence Day 2023. Jai Hind.